Hi, this is Natalie from Mind.Arrow from the Netherlands, and I'm here to do the little flip through of the mini project videos that I did together with Sophie from Sophie's Crafty Corner. We did a mini series of 2 recorded videos, and the third one was a live video, and we both made little tag booklets. She made a different type, different binding, different closure, and I made a ring bound. And after the live, we promised to do a live video well, not together, but after the live, we promised to do a flip through video. I saw Sophie's flip through already, but I forgot to do mine. I've been very busy cleaning the house. But yeah, there were 2 previous videos, so 2 different videos on both our channels at the same day. It was last Monday, Wednesday, and the Friday after. So last Friday we had the live. Yes, I'm correct. And this is the flip through. I will add the playlist below this video, and you can search for the other videos. And there is also a recommendation that you can visit Sophie's videos. I made a tag book using a ring bound element. These come as a 3-piece. I have purchased these on Amazon. I have the link. It's already listed in the video, in one of the videos, the previous videos where I used those rings too, but I will link it again. This is the closure. It has images on the inside. This is the front tag that has actually 2 pieces that go like this, and these have small tags inside. This is a belly band. I think I did not add these in a live. I added this later, and also the little bit pieces of tape. So this is tag number 1. Tag number 2 has a pocket with, it's not a pocket, it's a tuck spot. It has a hinge over here, so it's open on this side, but because of the hinge that is attached over here, it's holding it together. Some decoration on top, and I made this tag with tiny doily, and the bottle with ammonium is on here. I think this needs to be off because this is just a cutout. And during the live video, I had issues with eyelets coming out, and after the live, I realized on all the previous tags, as you can see, I added hole reinforcers that I punched with a special punch. So I did that, took out all the eyelets that were wobbly, and I reattached them after I punched the hole reinforcement pieces and glued them on. This is a tag that I also created. It has a lot of numbers on it. This is also something you can move, so you can write on the back side of this tag. This one has like a fabric collage piece with green and a tab, a little number. Did a lot of sewing around each of the tags. This one has 2 vellum pockets, and it holds this tag and the bottle that is also sort of a tag. So this goes in here and this goes in here. And then the final one is actually the spine or the back of the back. It has a pocket. It has the closure attached, and I added these 2 inside, and I added a little paper clip as a tag topper. Did not do that on camera, but I did that off camera, and I punched holes in here, so you have eyelets in here too. And yeah, these are the closures, and they all look like this on the back, so you can write on the back side, and sometimes also on the tags that are on the front, or pieces that are swiveling, and you can still write on the back. Actually, this is a leather tag. I sewn this on leather, so this one you can't write on, but on this one you should be able to write, although you can't write a lot, because when you take it off You just have this area to write. But yeah, it was a lot of fun creating this. Also make sure you watch Sophie's flip through video, and maybe if you missed the whole series, watch the whole series. We are going to do more of these. We have not planned this month's series, but we will figure that out because we have a different sort of paper. I have a video showing you all the February papers and also explaining about the challenges, because there are still challenges. It's a little bit different. But people seem to think there are no more challenges, which is not the case. And also people seem to think there are no more free papers, which I actually do have. I have papers this week. I have a mini Valentine kit. Next week I will have freebies, and the third week of February, I also will have free papers. But this is the finishing tag book from the January papers. I also have to work on my journal. I have pieces of the cover over here I still have to finish. But that's going to be the next video, because I will finish this one first before I start the new project with the February papers. But yes, I hope you liked the video. I hope you want to leave me a comment, like, hype the video. That means the world to me. And thank you for those of you who already found the hype button. And if you're new to the channel, maybe you want to be a subscriber, and also make sure you follow all the links down below this video, so you will see that I have a Facebook group that hosts a lot of challenges each month with a lot of free papers if you are a Facebook group member. But yeah, I'm going to post this also in the Facebook group and add some pictures, and I hope to see you in the next video. Stay safe, stay creative. Greetings from the Netherlands. Bye bye. Bye.